Hi, this is Tina Barnash, and I'm going to show you how to add custom text to your Glowforge designs using Inkscape. Regardless of the design you have, you're going to be able to add your custom text to any Glowforge design using the steps I'm going to show you here. So the first thing you want to do is to open your design in Inkscape, and we're going to click on the text tool and add your text. Now, Inkscape doesn't have a lot of they don't have a lot of really pretty fonts, but I do like Varane Script. It's a pretty kind of scripty font if you're wanting that kind of font, but you can choose others obviously if you want to. So once you've chosen your font, we're going to position the text over your design. Okay, so as you can see, this is doing some kind of weird glitchy stuff here. It may just be my laptop, but I'm guessing that a lot of you may have that problem with it too. Don't worry about it. It will disappear as soon as you do some more positioning here. So once you have it the size you want and kind of the dimensions you want, you can double click on that and you will see that these arrows pop up so that you can turn your font, rotate it sideways if you want to. I'm just going to rotate this so it fits in here. Click back on it again so you can kind of expand the size, and in that way, using these arrows and these little handles, you can kind of position your font however you want to. Now you'll notice though that obviously the E and the T, for instance, are not connected. We are going to want to connect those in order for them to cut well. So what we want to do now is select all of your text and click on Path, Object to Path. This will separate your letters. So click on Object to Path and then click Object Ungroup. Now you will notice that all of your letters have been separated. So click on the magnifying glass here so that we can kind of see what we're doing. And selecting the specific letters is simple. You just click on the text and then you hold down the Shift key and you select all of the text that you want to move. We're going to just kind of slide that over next to the T, and if you click off of it, you'll notice that it appears to be all joined together now. However, at this point, it is not actually all one solid image yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all the text again, holding down the Shift key. And we are going to go up and click Path, Union. This just joined together all of our text, so now it is just one solid group of text. Next, what we need to do is turn this into an outline so that we can attach it to our design. So once you have your text together, click Object, Fill and Stroke, and you will notice over here that a Fill and Stroke window pops up. So what you do is, with your text selected, you will go to Fill and you will click the X to take the fill off of it, and now you want to create a stroke. You will notice that the stroke is most likely not the same size as the stroke on your design. We want those lines the same size, so what you'll do is click over on the design real quick, go to Stroke Style, and you can see that it's 0.667. Copy that, click back on your font, and then just copy and paste that same exact size into the width box. And then you just click on PX and you'll notice that it has turned your text into an outline. And now that we've got that done, all we need to do is merge the two together. So again, holding down the Shift key, select your text, select your design, and click Path Union. So go Path, Union, and you will see that your text is now merged with your design. I kind of messed up here. I didn't attach my T to my snowflake, which I would prefer to do. So if you've had that happen, just go Undo Union, select your text again, and even though it's an outline, you can still move it around and position it. So if you want to do some further positioning at this point, you just kind of work it around until you get it exactly where you want it. And then we'll do that same thing again. Shift, click the design, Path, Union, and there it is. Now your text is joined with your design. And that is how you can add custom text to any Glowforge design using Inkscape. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and this helps you add your custom text to your designs. Thanks for watching.